Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Roots, and first of all I wanted to show you guys the kind of block I'm using. So this is a shea butter melt and pour block. So I'm just using this because this has been quite beneficial for my skin, and I've just been using a natural soap because my skin kind of tends to get dry. So I'm just going to cut this off. I'll be using this, alright? And first of all, we actually start by prepping this. If you've seen my other videos, I'll use an alcohol spray. I've always kept it in there. And I'll prep this by spraying it first. I'm going to be putting my cut soap in here. The reason I'm using this is because I get to put in the microwave so that it can melt. So I'll start by cutting it into small pieces, alright? And make sure you measure your soap before you use it. All my ingredients will be on my Patreon. For those who support my Patreon, I'm so thankful for you guys. And I just wanted to wish you all a happy new year to even all my subscribers here on YouTube. I hope you all have had a great start to the year. So hopefully this is a year of good things. So I'll cut it into small dices like so. This makes it easier to melt in the microwave. So I'm not going to be making too much. I already have a lot of soap. This was intentionally made for this video so that I can show you guys what soap I've been using. And this is great for sensitive skin. If you know that you have sensitive skin, then do try use this. So we're going to pop this in the microwave, and we're going to use it every 30 seconds just to check on it. You don't want to overheat your soap as well. So we'll pop this and then I'll be back. So as soon as you have it melted, you shouldn't even have lumps. If you have lumps, you can still mix it because the soap could still be warm enough to melt those as well, because we don't want to overheat the soap. We want to use all the nutrients that come with it. And it smells so good. If you're going to use a plain melt and pour, that's also safe. But I'm adding rosemary and juniper berry. And that smells so lovely. So the reason why I'm using rosemary and juniper berry is because I like the scent. First of all, this is like a minty shea butter, and then its benefits I'll talk about it as soon as the soap is done. I just wanted to show you guys how to make it first. And then to avoid bubbles, make sure you spray some alcohol on top. So you just pour some in there. You can tell there's a few lumps because I didn't overheat it too much. And I just make enough for the month. And these is going to produce 3 bars of soap. Precisely 3 bars. So that's how I make my shea butter melt and pour. And once they've set, I'll show you guys how they look like. So after an hour or so, I waited 1 hour 15 minutes, and I am going to show you guys how they came out. The reason why I use juniper berry and rosemary oil is mainly because I love the scent of juniper berry, and also because of its skin benefits. It's like a natural skin toner, and because I'm pregnant, I find that I like to use the natural soaps because of its oil benefits. Because this is a shea butter melt and pour soap, then it's easier for me to work with and it's easy to make. And also juniper berry is good for healthy complexion on the skin, and also it promotes clear, healthy skin, and also it reduces blemishes. So I will be getting stretch marks around my tummy, and I felt that this was the best way to work with this particular soap. I used rosemary essential oil. It's because it also has anti-inflammatory properties. If you notice, rosemary's also got a kind of strong scent together, so I really feel like these two work together. They're great for acne if you're using on the face, but I mainly use this as my pregnancy soap because I'm just trying to work with natural soaps and natural ingredients. And in my next video, I'll kind of show you how I use this around my stomach. It's really been beneficial on the skin, and if you want to try it, don't worry, you can try that. All measurements will be on my Patreon on how to make this amazing bar of soap. It's a shea butter soap with juniper berry and rosemary, so it smells so good. If you're into minty sort of smells, this is a soap for you. And if you'd like to try a natural soap yourself, you don't have to be pregnant like me, you can try it. So remember guys, to subscribe and thumbs up and sign up to my Patreon to not miss recipes like this. Alright guys, until next time, bye, see ya.